Hi, I'm Keri Murphy, and welcome back to Inspired Living TV, where we inspire lives and empower entrepreneurs. You are someone that has a big vision for your life. You see yourself speaking on big stages, maybe hosting your own event. You see yourself writing a best-selling book and really making an impact in the lives of others. But as you sit where you are today, you're wondering, how do I make that happen? How do I get from where I am right now to that place where you're making the difference you know you are here on this earth to make? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 things that I go through and help my clients go through so you can manifest those dreams a whole lot quicker. Okay, the first one. Now, this may seem easy, but it's one we don't do very often, and that is decide. You have to really get clear on what you want. I say a confused mind will never buy, and a confused conscience cannot do. If your mind does not know what it is that you want to create, it cannot bring it to fruition. So you might have these big, lofty goals, but they're unclear and they're ambiguous. So it is time to grab out that piece of paper and get that vision board ready so you can get clear on exactly what it is that you want to create. Growing up in Portland, Oregon, which I loved, I am the type of person that redecorated my room literally almost every week. My mom would get so frustrated with the nail holes and broken furniture. But my whole room was palm trees and ocean. Now, today I live and I can look outside my home and see the ocean from east to west. And I am breathing in palm trees every day. Now, did I know at 11 and 12 that I would be sitting here doing videos by the beach? No, but I was really clear with what I wanted to create in my life. So again, we have to decide what it is that we want. And if you want specific things like more money, like how much more money? And why do you want that money? What does your event look like? Where are you speaking? How are you making an impact? And what are you doing each day that leads up to that? So the very first thing we need to do is decide what it is that we truly want to create in our life. Now, this is really fun, right? I have vision boards, I have my goals, but then usually the rubber hits the road at step number 2, and that is dedicate. When is the last time you said, all right, I am going all in? Maybe it was New Year's, you made some new resolutions, and about 30 seconds later, you changed your mind. You got distracted, and you lost the passion behind what it is that you wanted to do. I have interviewed hundreds of successful entrepreneurs and celebrities, and at the end of the day, it all comes down to dedication and tenacity. What do you really, really want, and are you willing to go through a level of discomfort to get there? Are you willing to sacrifice a steady paycheck to follow your dreams? Are you willing to do something that feels very uncomfortable and actually probably scares the crap out of you in order to get to where it is that you want? Let's face it, nothing that you want is easy. It's just the way it is. We have to go through trials and failures to reach any level of amazing success and impact in our lives. And are you willing to do it? That is something that you need to decide and then dedicate yourself to. So we have decide, we have dedicate. The third one, and the one that most often gets overlooked, is develop. Now, I have to tell you, I've been in business now for 20 years as an entrepreneur. Hard to believe. And this version of Keri Murphy is not the version that started her first business at 22. I've had to consistently develop myself, both personally and in my business acumen, to really become the person I am today. And I am telling you, the person I am today, although I love her, is not the person I see her stepping into in the future. Part of our vision comes from understanding who we need to become to step into it. So what do you need to do? Who do you need to become? How do you need to develop yourself to really step into that thought leader, that CEO, that speaker, that author? Also, next to that is developing your network. I cannot tell you how pivotal it has been in my career to meet people, to look at where I want to be and go hang out with those people, to ask them to connect. You can't do what you want to do in the confines of your own home or your own office. You've got to be willing to get out and develop your network. Those 2 things, developing yourself and developing your network, will bring those dreams to life so much quicker. But what are you willing to do to get there? And the last D is deliver. how are you going to deliver yourself to the world? Whether that is through your brand, your video content, your message. We don't think about the impact that we're making every day and just showing up online. So you need to be very aware and conscientious of what you're putting out there. You can either position yourself or you can have other people do it for you. And I really recommend you look at where you want to be and make decisions based on that vision instead of where you are right now. Act as if. Step into who it is that you want to become so you start attracting the right energy and the right circumstances and opportunities that will help you get there. So that, my beautiful friend, is how you step in and manifest those dreams a whole lot quicker. You need to decide, dedicate, develop, and deliver. Okay, so now I would love to hear from you. What do you want to create in your life? Please post a comment below and make sure to share this video, because when you are inspired, you inspire others. And that, my friend, is what this world is all about. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to come join us at inspiredliving.tv and follow us on social so you don't miss another episode. And remember to keep dreaming it, living it, and being it. Until next time.